Hello children, this is your Shilpi Miss and welcome you all to our Eurokids online classroom. Okay children, in our previous class we have learned letter E. Which letter? We have learned letter E and we have also learned how to write letter E. So children, now do you know letter E has come to tell you a story. So let's start the story. Ela got home a book of all words beginning with letter E. She wanted to show it to her mother. Her mother was doing exercise. E for exercise. She told her that she will see her book in the evening. E for evening. But Ela was very eager to show her book to her mother. So she entered her mother's room and called her to see the book. Now her mother was also very excited to see the book. They sat on the sofa and Ela showed her e-book to her mother. The book contains a lot of E words, the words that starts with letter E. So Ela and her mother got very excited to see all the E words. So Ela started reading the E words and the words are like E for elephant, E for elephant, E for eagle, E for eagle, E for envelope, E for envelope, E for Eskimo, E for Eskimo, E for ear, E for ear, E for eye, E for eye, E for enter, E for enter, E for elbow, E for elbow, E for exit, E for exit, E for emu, E for emu, E for English, E for English, E for empty, E for empty, E for enjoy, E for enjoy, and E for everyday, E for everyday, E for era, E for era, and E for eight, E for eight, E for eight, E for engine, E for engine, and E for easel board, E for easel board, E for eggplant, E for eggplant, and E for elephant. So children, in this book, Era learns a lot of words that start with letter E. Era learns a lot of words that starts with letter E. And children, by listening this story, you have also learned a lot of E words, the words that start with letter E. Okay children? So now you have learned so many words that start with letter E. And what you have to do? You have to learn all these words and you have to write these words in your 4-line copies. Okay children? So now let's move forward towards our next activity. So children, our next activity is numerical activity. And in this activity, what you have to do? I am going to tell you what you have to do. Okay children, look here. Here we have a lot of flashcards of numbers. We have flashcard of numbers. And in this basket, we have several beads and we have several blocks and what we have to do? Okay, I will pick one flashcard of any number and we have to count that much of bead or that much of blocks and we have to keep it here. So I am picking up the number. Okay children. So our first number is this. And children, tell me which number is this? Tell me. This is number 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. So what we have to do? We have to pick 15 blocks. We have to pick how many blocks? We have to pick 15 blocks. So let's start counting. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is 15. Number 15 and we have counted 15 blocks here. 15 and we have counted 15 blocks here. Okay children, so now we will pick up the next number. Okay, let me put all these blocks in our basket once again. Okay, so now I will pick another number and our next number is this. And which number is this? This is number 6. This is number 6. And what we have to do? We have to pick 6 beads. This time we will pick beads. Okay. So we have to count 6 beads and we have to keep it on the table. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number 6 flashcard and we have kept 6 beads here. So 6 beads and we take the number 6. So now let's pick up the next number. But before that, let me keep all the beads again into the basket. Okay children, so our next number is number 19. Which number is this? Number 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. And what we have to do? We have to count 19 blocks. We have to count 19 blocks. Okay, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and one more 19. So our number what we have to do? We have to count 13 beads. This time we will count beads. Okay, so we have to count 13 beads and we have to keep it on the table. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Number 13 and we have counted 13 beads here. Okay children. So now we will put all the beads in the basket. Okay children. So now you have done the activity of numerical activities. Okay. We have done counting. What we have done? We have done counting activity. Like this children, you also do the counting activity at your home. You can use your crayon, you can use your matchsticks, and you can use your pencil, eraser, sharpener. Okay, and you count like this. Okay, so children, now let's move forward towards our next activity. And our next activity is we will do a painting activity. Okay children. So what painting we will do? We will do a spray painting. Which painting? A spray painting. Do you know what is a spray painting? I will show you. Okay, it is very interesting. And what are the things that you need for a spray painting? I am showing you. You need a A4 size paper. You need a A4 size paper. A toothbrush. You need a toothbrush. And you need watercolor. Okay, you need watercolor. You can take any color you want. I have taken red color, blue color and yellow color. You can take colors of your choice. And you need leaf. What is this? This is leaf. Okay. So I have taken 2 leaves. I have taken 2 leaves. So what will we do? Look here children. So we will put the leaves on our A4 size paper. Okay. We will put the leaf on this A4 size paper like this. Okay. You can put it, okay, you can put it any way as you wish. Okay, so what will we do now? We will take the toothbrush. We will take the toothbrush and we will dip into the color. Okay, we will dip into the color and we will remove the extra color. Okay, through the edges. And what we will do? We will upside down the brush and we will move our thumb like this on the bristle. We will move our thumb like this on the bristle. So let's do. We will spray the color. Look, the color. We will spray the color. Okay. We will again dip the color. We will spray the color around the leaf. We will spray the color around the leaf. Okay children? Look, we are doing spray painting. What we are doing? We are doing spray painting. So now we will take red color. Okay, now we will take red color and we will remove the extra color. We will remove the extra color through the edges and we will start spraying. We will start spraying. Okay. Look. Wow, looking so nice. What we are doing? We are doing a spray painting. We are doing a spray painting. color like this. You have to spray the color with the help of your thumb. With the help of your thumb. So now again I am removing extra color and I am spraying. Okay? I am spraying the color. So now we have sprayed red color. And now we will take blue color. Which color? We will take blue color, and again we will remove the extra color and we will spray the color with the help of our thumb. Okay? Again we will take the blue color and we will remove the extra color and we will spray like this. Okay? Okay, so now we have done. Okay, now we have done, and what we will do now? We will remove this leaf. Okay, what we will do now? We will remove the leaf. So I am removing this leaf. Wow! And I am removing this leaf. And children, look, so beautiful painting we have done. Children, look, so beautiful painting we have done. Is it looking beautiful? Wow, very good. Very nice. You can do this painting at your home by using your toothbrush and leaves. So this is spray painting. Okay, children? So you can do this painting at your home. Okay, children? So now this is the time to end this session. Okay, children? Bye-bye.